People ask, is it really happening? Proof. People ask, will it be delivered on time? Proof. People ask, will the quality match the promise? Proof. 33 floors, completed. 62,000 cubic meters of concrete, poured. 7,200 tons of steel, installed. Flooring works, underway. Railings, being installed. Electrical and uPVC works, progressing rapidly across the towers. Because structural completion gets attention, finishing progress reveals the real timeline. It's where promises become possession dates. 85% complete. Most projects upgrade specifications on paper, but Vertex 33 West is already aligned with globally trusted premium brands. Premium large format tiles, advanced biometric door locks, not cosmetic upgrades, long-term quality choices. Not a promise anymore. Proof is in progress.